Question 1. Cracks in buildings are broadly classified into. The correct answer is structural and non-structural cracks. Question 2. Structural cracks are mainly caused by. The correct answer is overloading or settlement of foundation. Question 3. Non-structural cracks are usually caused by. The correct answer is shrinkage, thermal changes, and chemical reactions. Question 4. Plastic shrinkage cracks in concrete appear. The correct answer is within a few hours of placing while concrete is plastic. Question 5. Drying shrinkage cracks typically occur due to. The correct answer is loss of moisture from hardened concrete over time. Question 6. Cracks appearing at the junction of a column and masonry wall are due to. The correct answer is differential thermal expansion or contraction or shrinkage. Question 7. Diagonal cracks in masonry walls starting from window corners usually indicate. The correct answer is differential settlement of foundation. Question 8. Horizontal cracks at the base of a masonry wall may be due to. The correct answer is sulfate attack or rising dampness. Question 9. Corrosion of reinforcement bars in RCC causes cracks parallel to the bars due to. The correct answer is expansion of rust volume increase. Question 10. The primary cause of corrosion of steel in concrete is. The correct answer is carbonation or chloride ingress reducing pH. Question 11. Cracks caused by sulfate attack are due to the formation of. The correct answer is ettringite expansive compound. Question 12. Alkali aggregate reaction. Alkali aggregate reaction causes cracks pattern known as. The correct answer is map cracking or pattern cracking. Question 13. Settlement of foundation is categorized into. The correct answer is uniform settlement and differential settlement. Question 14. Differential settlement is more dangerous than uniform settlement because. The correct answer is it induces secondary stresses and tilting. Question 15. The maximum permissible differential settlement for isolated footings on sand is. The correct answer is 25 mm. Question 16. The maximum permissible differential settlement for isolated footings on clay is. The correct answer is 40 mm. Question 17. Liquefaction of soil leading to settlement occurs in. The correct answer is loose saturated sands during earthquakes. Question 18. Underpinning is a method used to. The correct answer is strengthen or deepen an existing foundation. Question 19. Accompany millimeters on method of underpinning is. The correct answer is pit method. Question 20. Grouting is the process of. The correct answer is injecting a fluid material into voids or cracks to fill and seal them. Question 21. Cement grouting is suitable for. The correct answer is wide cracks and filling large voids. Question 22. Epoxy grouting is best suited for. The correct answer is structural repair of fine cracks, high-strength bonding. Question 23. The main advantage of epoxy resin is. The correct answer is high tensile strength and strong adhesion. Question 24. Polymer modified mortar (PMM) is used for. The correct answer is patch repair of concrete, improves bond and durability. Question 25. Guniting shotcrete is the application of. The correct answer is mortar or concrete pneumatically at high velocity. Question 26. Guniting is typically used for. The correct answer is repairing large surface areas, canal linings, and tunnels. Question 27. Dry mix process in guniting involves. The correct answer is mixing water at the nozzle. Question 28. Wet mix process in shotcrete involves. The correct answer is pumping prepared concrete or mortar to the nozzle. Question 29. Rebearing technique is used for. The correct answer is inserting new reinforcement bars into existing concrete. Question 30. In ray bearing, the bonding agent typically used is. The correct answer is epoxy resin or polyester resin anchor. Question 31. The hole diameter for rebearing should generally be. The correct answer is 4 to 6 mm larger than bar diameter. Question 32. Stitching of cracks involves. The correct answer is drilling holes on both sides of crack and grouting with U-shaped metal staples dogs. Question 33. Routing and sealing is a method for. The correct answer is treating dormant non-moving cracks by widening and filling. Question 34. Flexible sealants are used for cracks that are. The correct answer is active moving due to thermal or load changes. Question 35. Jacketing is a technique used for. The correct answer is strengthening columns by casting a new concrete layer around them. Question 36. Plate bonding refers to. The correct answer is gluing steel plates to the tension face of beams using epoxy. Question 37. FRP wrapping uses. The correct answer is fiber reinforced polymer sheets, carbon or glass, for strengthening. Question 38. Carbon fiber reinforced polymer (CFRP) is known for. The correct answer is high tensile strength and light weight. Question 39. Spalling of concrete is. The correct answer is breaking off of fragments or flakes from concrete surface. Question 40. The first step in concrete repair is. The correct answer is diagnosis or determining the cause of damage. Question 41. Telltale glasses are used to. The correct answer is monitor if a crack is active, widening, or dormant. Question 42. V-grooving is done before. The correct answer is filling cracks with sealant. Question 43. Remedial measure for settlement due to weak soil involves. The correct answer is soil stabilization or grouting or underpinning. Question 44. Soil stabilization by grouting involves injecting. The correct answer is cement, sand mix, or chemicals. Question 45. Micropiles are used for. The correct answer is underpinning and strengthening existing foundations. Question 46. Rust stains on concrete surface indicate. The correct answer is corrosion of internal reinforcement. Question 47. Cathodic protection is a method to. The correct answer is prevent corrosion of steel bars. Question 48. Sacrificial anode system uses a metal like. The correct answer is zinc to corrode instead of steel. Question 49. Ferrocement is used in repair for. The correct answer is waterproofing and lining of tanks or roofs. Question 50. Latex modified concrete (LMC) improves. The correct answer is bond strength and impermeability. Question 51. Rapid hardening cement is useful for repair because. The correct answer is it gains strength quickly, reducing downtime. Question 52. Non-shrink grout usually contains. The correct answer is aluminum powder, expanding agent. Question 53. Vacuum concrete process is used to. The correct answer is extract excess water to improve strength or durability. Question 54. Before applying repair mortar, the old concrete surface must be. The correct answer is cleaned and saturated surface dry SSD. Question 55. Bonding agent is applied to. The correct answer is improve adhesion between old and new concrete. Question 56. Chemical attack on concrete by acids leads to. The correct answer is dissolution of cement paste and softening. Question 57. Carbonation depth is measured using. The correct answer is phenolphthalein indicator. Question 58. Phenolphthalein turns pink in. The correct answer is uncarbonated alkaline concrete. Question 59. Corrosion inhibitors like calcium nitrite are added to. The correct answer is delay the onset of corrosion. Question 60. Settlement due to lowering of water table is caused by. The correct answer is increase in effective stress on soil. Question 61. Soil heave swelling causes cracks due to. The correct answer is uplift pressure on foundation. Question 62. Preventive measure for settlement on loose sand is. The correct answer is compaction or vibroflotation. Question 63. A crack width of less than 0.1 mm is generally considered. The correct answer is negligible or hairline. Question 64. A crack width greater than 0.3 mm usually requires. The correct answer is repair or treatment. Question 65. External pre-stressing is a method of. The correct answer is strengthening beams or girders retrofitting. Question 66. Retrofitting refers to. The correct answer is strengthening or upgrading a structure for seismic or load capacity. Question 67. Seismic retrofitting often involves. The correct answer is adding shear walls or bracing. Question 68. Collar joint in column jacketing is. The correct answer is the interface between old column and new jacket. Question 69. Drilling and plugging is used for. The correct answer is repairing vertical cracks in retaining walls. Question 70. Dry packing is a method for. The correct answer is filling deep, narrow slots or dormant cracks. Question 71. Autogenous healing of concrete is. The correct answer is natural sealing of fine cracks by hydration of unhydrated cement. Question 72. Settlement cracks in masonry walls are typically. The correct answer is diagonal or stepped. Question 73. Thermal cracks in roof slabs are typically. The correct answer is random map patterns or near corners. Question 74. Expansion joints are provided to prevent. The correct answer is thermal cracks. Question 75. Control joints, contraction joints are provided to. The correct answer is localize shrinkage cracks to straight lines. Question 76. Rebearing requires checking of. The correct answer is embedment depth and bond strength. Question 77. Pull-out test is used to check. The correct answer is strength of rebearing or anchor. Question 78. Sand blasting is used for. The correct answer is surface preparation or cleaning rust and dirt. Question 79. Wire brushing is a manual method of. The correct answer is cleaning reinforcement bars. Question 80. Alkaline pore solution in concrete protects steel by. The correct answer is forming a passive oxide film passivation. Question 81. Loss of passivation occurs when pH drops below. The correct answer is 9.0 to 10.0. Question 82. Chloride-induced corrosion is dangerous because. The correct answer is it causes localized pitting without disrupting cover initially. Question 83. Waterproofing of terrace is done to prevent. The correct answer is leakage and dampness, which causes corrosion. Question 84. Brick bat coba is a method of. The correct answer is waterproofing flat roofs. Question 85. Injection packers are used in. The correct answer is pressure grouting ports for injection. Question 86. Low viscosity epoxy is used for. The correct answer is very fine cracks less than 0.3 millimeters. Question 87. High viscosity epoxy or gel is used for. The correct answer is wide cracks and surface sealing. Question 88. Permeability grouting fills. The correct answer is soil pores to reduce permeability. Question 89. Compaction grouting is used to. The correct answer is densify loose soil by displacing it with stiff grout. Question 90. Jet grouting involves. The correct answer is eroding soil with high pressure jet and mixing with grout. Question 91. Settlement of corner of a building causes. The correct answer is diagonal cracks. Question 92. Bulging of a wall is a sign of. The correct answer is structural instability or overloading. Question 93. Efflorescence is removed by. The correct answer is dry brushing and washing with weak acid. Question 94. Dampness in buildings causes. The correct answer is unhygienic conditions, plaster peeling, corrosion. Question 95. Co-millimeters on remedy for rising dampness is. The correct answer is damp-proof course DPC. Question 96. Leakage through construction joints is treated by. The correct answer is pressure grouting or groove cutting and sealing. Question 97. Rebound loss is a factor associated with. The correct answer is guniting or shotcreting. Question 98. Core test is a. The correct answer is semi-destructive test to check in situ strength. Question 99. Half-cell potential test measures. The correct answer is probability of corrosion activity. Question 100. The service life of a repaired structure depends on. The correct answer is quality of repair material and workmanship.